Hello everyone, my name is Lindsay Trombley. I'm a social media manager for the Argonaut, and today I'm going to show you how to post on Facebook for a professional news organization. First, you're going to want your computer open and admin access to the Facebook page you want to post to. You can tell I have access from the slider on the top of the toolbar that says Page, Inbox, Notifications, Insights, and Publishing Tools. And as you can see here, this is the Argonauts Facebook page. So, let's get started. First, you're going to need to click on the Publishing Tools link on the top bar. It'll bring you to a page that looks like this. On the left side of the page, there's a tab that says Scheduled Posts. You're going to want to click on that and then create on the right side of the page. In a new tab on your computer, you're going to want to open uiargonaut.com or whichever news site you want to post from. When you get to the website, you'll see different tabs. For the purpose of my tutorial, I'm going to make a post about our lamb article. That is in the News tab. When you click on the News tab, it'll give you a list of different articles. Click the one you want. Once you do, you'll be directed to a page that contains the full article. Next, you're going to want to copy the page's link. Toggle back to the Facebook page tab where you created a new post and paste the link there. Right after you do this, delete the link on the post itself. Go back to the Argonauts website and copy the first paragraph of the article. This is the lead. Paste it in the post you are creating. Once you're done with that, your post is good to go, except you need to schedule a time for it to be posted. That's when you click on the Schedule tab and decide on a date and time. Typically, posts do better in the morning, so I recommend scheduling a post around 9 a.m. Once you're done deciding what time and date your post is going to go up online, just hit schedule and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see everyone in the next tutorial.